morning, student. Today we are going to start lesson 6, and the topic of the lesson is sweet example from moral science. In this chapter we are going to study about words and actions should be same. In this chapter we will read about the same meaning, what will what will be happening in this chapter. Just see on the book. Just go through the top what is given about the words and accents should be same. What we say and what we should be in tune with each other. This means that when we ask someone to do something, we should also follow the same and do it ourselves, just like the holy saint in this story. It means, student, he before saying something to others, just you should judge yourself that your word and action should be same or not. So this chapter is related to the same given as example. Everybody see on the book. It is already mentioned in the story what is happening in this story. There was once a boy who loved eating sweets. So there was once a boy who loved eating sweets. So what loves boy? Eating sweets. He always asked for sweets from his father. His father was poor man. His father was a poor man. Means very poor means not a very poor in their financial. He could not always afford sweets for his son. Afford means, student, what? Have sufficient money. Afford means not sufficient money. Here the sentence is referred for the poor man, that poor man is not affordable for having sufficient money to purchase sweets for his son. But the little boy did not understand this and demanded sweets all the time. But in this sense, what we want to say that the boy did not understand these types of problem, that his father have no more money to buy every time sweets for them. The boy's father thought hard about how to stop the child for asking so many sweets. So every time his father was thinking about his child, that how could he going to stop to want more money, what more or many times sweets. There was holy man who lived nearby. Nearby means what? Near their place. The boy father decided to take the boy to the holy man who might be able to persuade the child to stop asking for sweets all the time. Persuade. Persuade means what? Providing what? Providing providing sound or reason to do something. So persuade means asking the reason why that boy wants every time sweets from his father. The next morning, the father took his son to the holy man. The father said to the saint, what he said, see on the book. Oh great saint, could you ask my son to stop asking for sweets which I cannot afford? The great saint was in difficulty. Means great saint was in difficulty because he likes sweets himself. So this makes problem to just to that boy. Why? Because himself sends also wants every time sweet. So that is the problem among themselves also. Okay, how what's he just to that boy? How could he ask the boy to give up asking for sweets? The holy man said nothing and asked the father to bring his son back after a month. So the holy man means son. Son said to whom? To his father, that he bring his son after 1 month. Why? What is the reason? Because he can't able to judge himself that how to to say them that you should also not what like sweets every time. During that month, the holy man up eating sweets. When the boy and his father returned after a month, the holy man said to the boy, means after 1 month again he come back to the what to the holy man. And holy man said to the boy, what he said when he returned after 1 month? My dear child, will you stop asking for sweets which your father cannot afford to give you? So who given this types of statement? Who has given this type of statement? That saint. To whom? To the child. From the on the boy stopped asking for sweets. The boy's father asked the holy man, why did not ask my son to give up asking for sweets when we came to you a month ago? So these things is saying by the holy man that why you not ask me my son to give me asking for some sweets when we come to you a month ago. These types of question asking by sent to the boy. The holy man replied, how could ask a boy to give up sweets when I love sweets myself? So these things, this statement declared that how means how they face, how they solve the problem that before that himself also is going happening with them same. In the last month gave up eating sweets. So the moral of the story is that a person actions are much more powerful than his word. When we ask something to do something, we must do it ourselves also. It means, student, if before saying anything, any argument or any suggestion to others, just you judge itself that what you are doing same or not, then after you judge to others. So first, it means also declare that first you improve your mistake, then you what try to solve to others. So we should not take ask others to do what we do not do ourselves. Our action and our words should be the same. So the moral of this story is we should always what same, we should always actions, we should always in our action and our words should be the same. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.